A guy could catch pneumonia out here. One of my employees left me a note wishing me a happy Valentine's Day. I returned the note and unwittingly added my own closing. Happy VD to you too. A patient was visiting a gynecologist. She was asked to give a urine specimen, but found no toilet paper in the bathroom. So she rummaged through her purse and found a small bit of tissue. Then the doctor proceeded with the examination. A giggle was heard between the stirrups as the doctor removed an adhered postage stamp and asked, were you planning on mailing yourself somewhere? It was charted. She is none by profession. She does not have any habits. I was doing the discharge teaching with an obstetrical patient while a man I assumed to be her husband was packing her belongings. I looked at the man and informed him, if you decide to have sex with her before she goes on appeal again, you have to wear a condom. Not me, he answered. I'm her father. My nurse clinician had just complained a pelvic examination and requested that I check her findings. I reached for one of her small gloves when she stopped. You're never going to get your big hand into that little thing. The patient interjected. Oh, sure he will. I had 2 kids. A large Swedish gentleman was in my office complaining of stomach pain. I asked, do you have a good appetite? Yeah, my appetite is good. Do your bowels move? Yeah, they swing a little when I walk. There was a nurse nervous because of her turn to demonstrate abdominal thirsts. She sat on the mannequin's face and placed her hand on the mannequin's lower abdomen. We all looked at her, trying not to laugh, and she stated, am I doing something wrong? I replied, yes, but I'm sure you're making the dummy very happy. I was interviewing a new patient and was considering her risk factors for HIV when I asked, had you had multiple sexual partners in the past? Oh no, doctor, only one at a time, it was her proud response. A physical therapist was working with a patient when the drawing of his crabs got cut on a piece of equipment. The scraps became untied, and the weight of his beeper quickly dropped the scraps around his ankles. And that is why your mother is telling you to wear clean underwear. A patient was constipated and attempted to use a carrot for anal dilation, which according to the patient just slipped up in there. Upon examination, the doctor discovered the carrot and asked, how could anyone possibly swallow a whole carrot? A mother of 2 toddlers and a new infant had the habit of reading to the older children while nursing the infant. The younger toddler would often ask, is breastfeeding time yet? A minister delivered a sermon. I wanted to say a letter written in a childish scroll came to the post office addressed to God. A postal employee, not knowing exactly what to do with the letter, opened it and read, "Dear God, my name is Jimmy. I am 6 years old.